In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step where you can find your Google tag inside your Google Ad account and how you can upload it to your website using Google Tag Manager, all without requiring a coding degree. The Google tag is really the one tag that's going to measure and track the performance of your ad. So it's really important to take this step and install this tag to your website because it will improve your overall ad performance. If you like this video, don't forget, hit that thumbs icon and subscribe. Let's go do this. So here we are in our Google Ad account, and this is actually a brand new Google Ad account. So it has really no data in here, hasn't been configured at all. And I've gone to this left-hand menu here of Tools, and then within the Tools menu, I've gone to Data Manager. And this is where I'm going to find my Google tag. As you can see here, it's been named Test because that's what I have named my new Google Ad account. And as you can see here, it says no data, and that's because this tag hasn't been installed to my website yet. The data manager is also where you can connect to various other products like analytics and YouTube, but that's sort of beyond the scope of this video. So I'm going to show you, if we go in, click on Manage, this Google tag here. You'll see here we get a bit of information and we can get our installation instructions. If you want to rename your tag, you just simply go to Admin, Manage, Google Tag, and you can rename your tag here if you want, but really it's not very necessary. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. So we go back to Manage, and to install your tag, we're going to go to Installation Instructions, and there's really two options. If you can use it if you've got like some CMS platform, but I'm going to choose this option to install manually because I'm going to use Google Tag Manager. And really all I need to do, all I need is just this code here as the component to add to my Tag Manager. So let's go dive into Tag Manager. I'm going to show you just how to do that. So here we are in our Google Tag Manager account. I'm going to assume you have already created a Tag Manager account and installed the Tag Manager code onto your website. That if you have not done that, you definitely need to do that first, because otherwise publishing tags on here won't actually publish them to your website. You need to install Tag Manager on your website, and then you'll be able to do what I'm about to show you now. So we go down here to Tags. Obviously, I've got a bunch of tags that I've already got in this Tag Manager account, but we're going to click on New. I'm going to give my tag a name. I'm going to call it Google Tag, and I'll just call it New for the purpose of this video. Click on Tag Configuration, and as you can see here, one of the featured options here is Google Tag. And this is where we're going to put our tag ID. So I'm going to go back over here, and I'm just going to, copy this. And then we need to assign our trigger, which is when we want this tag to fire. The default option is for all pages, which is great. We want our Google tag to fire on every page, which is great. So then I'm going to click Save. Now this is not yet live on our website because we haven't published it, but as you can see down here, this is where my new tag is, which is great. So what I first want to do is go into preview mode to check that my tag fires, I've done it correctly. And once it does that, then I can publish it. So I click on preview, and we're going to enter preview mode. This is the website. I'm going to connect to the website. We go into debug mode. Here is the website. It's connected. That's great. Continue, and then we can see here is our new tag that we just created. Google Tag New. It fired, which is great. So my tag has been created correctly. All is working okay. We can close this. Let's leave that. And then in order to publish this to our website, we just click on Submit. And then you can write a description of the change that you've made and then click Publish. I'm not going to click Publish because I've already got a Google tag on here. But that's how easy it is to publish your Google tag on your website.